and I was in the chat and I wanted to ask her if she can recommend me like a vanilla, like, you know, soft where nothing happens, Yuri girl stuff. Because I wanted to read it with Callie in a stream. I was asking her for recommendations. マリン先輩に昨日放送で聞いたの。ガールズラブ、ユーリの漫画のおすすめ。でもバニラなやつって聞いたんだけど。She told me she has no vanilla recommendations. She doesn't read that stuff. She was like really like passionate about it. She said like, nah, no way. I only read stuff where they go really into it, you know? There's no way I would have something so soft for you. Sorry, Kiara. Got nothing for you. I just want something that me and Callie can read on stream. 聞く人間違えた。まさかバニラなら全然何もないっていう。やがて君になる Is that your guys' recommendation? Didn't that get an anime too? Citrus is also pretty soft. Yeah, I've heard of that one too many times. Citrus is very famous. The anime? There's an anime. Oh. You guys know way too much about this. I guess that makes sense because if you support Takamori, then I guess many of you like Yuri. みんなエッチやな。すごい画像 Google で見たらすごい幸せそうなんだけど、あの二人ムカつく。私とカリちゃんもあんな感じになれねえのかよ。Why can't that? This could be me and you, Callie. But you were too much soon. イチャイチャしてんのムカつくよ。嫉妬するやん。